Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to noise reduction in Camtasia. First, open Camtasia. Make sure the audio clip you want to clean is on the timeline. And here you can hear some noises from the background.
Then click on Login and then select your server.
So for reduce the noises from the background, go to the Audio Effects tab. Select Noise Removal and add it into the audio. Then click on the effect. Adjust the sensitivity and amount sliders to control the level of noise reduction. The sensitivity settings determines how aggressively the noise reduction effect will remove noise. The amount setting controls the overall level of noise reduction applied. Click the Analyze button to automatically analyze the audio and set the optimum noise reduction settings. Here is the preview.
Then click on Login and then select your server.
That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel. And click the bell icon for more updates.